April 22, 2022. I was sleeping in my bed, scrolling through reels, and then Andrew Tate videos come up to my feed. And that's the first time I looked up to him. And it was a controversial topic, I guess. I don't remember that clearly. But that video changed my life completely from that moment. Until 2022, my mindset was set. I was simping around calls. I wasn't taking action. I was so boring person. Boring as a person. I don't read any books. I don't have any skill. And after that video come up, that video literally changed my mindset. And now I'm in such a stage that I have a bulletproof mindset. No one can harm me. In my mindset, I'm the best. I'm always the best. So thanks to that video, from that moment, I've never been the same. I'm working now. I'm chasing my goal. I've stopped chasing human because I want to get better for myself before going into humans. So, what's the most important thing you need to do if you want to completely change your mindset and become your best person? First, you need to understand that life as a man is always supposed to be hard. There is no easy other way you are going to make it. There is no any cheat code to success. You have to go through a lot of pains, lot of struggles, and there will be countless failures, and you will be depressed, yeah, and there will be a lot of things that's going against you, and but you have to stand in a way, in a such a way that no matter what happens, I'm not here to quit. I'll fucking do it alone, but I will never quit. Whether it will take time or years, I'll fucking do it. That's the mindset you need to adopt. What's hard? Actually, life is fucking simple. We ourselves make our life hard because we are lazy human being. Because we don't have any goals. I generally tell people that if you want to do something with your life, start by setting up goals. What do you want to do? What where do you want to live? What car you want to drive? Without that, how we are going to do anything? So suppose if you want to become successful, so you have to get pen and paper and start writing your goals. I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to plan your next 5 years ahead. So you know what to do, when to do, and it will be very easy for you. If you genuinely want to become successful, bro, you have to prepare your mind for the endless difficulties, as I said before. There's no any other easy way out from that. Life is a seed, and especially if you are a man, life is always supposed to be seed. You have to become strong as possible. You have to become rich as possible, and then after that, you are going to get anything you want because you have the capabilities to do anything you want. There will be a lot of guys who look up to you, who want to be like you. You will become an example if you genuinely put in the work for years. So stop simping around and start taking control of your life. So you don't need to do anything, bro. Set up goals, start learning skills, and the main important part is stop caring about other people's opinion, bro. Yeah, back then I was also in that space. I was a bullied kid. Everybody makes fun of me. And in my college days, it was it because everybody makes fun of me, everybody laughs at me because I was literally broke. I got no mindset. I was just simping around girls, traveling, enjoying, partying, and then that video changed my life completely. From then, I've barely gone into parties, and I've barely been into relationships because I understand that if I want to get better with my life, I need to sacrifice those all things at this stage of my life. I can enjoy it by later. I'm in my late teens. I'm going to enter my early 20s soon. So yeah, and I was literally bullied. People come to my face and saying, "You won't be successful," like such a humiliated thing. But I didn't give a fuck. Because I know what I'm doing. Because I have the plan. And I don't care about what people will say. I'm currently recording this video, and if tomorrow my friend sees this video and come and say to me that this video won't work, you are not going to become rich by YouTube, or you won't get views, I don't care, bro. If I am able to change one people thinking mindset, it's a win for me. Because I'm making this video is suppose someone is in that space that they are so depressed, they don't know what they are doing in their life, they are lost, and if they see this video, there is a rays of hope, Bro, you are not alone in this journey. I'm in the same spot. I'm also broke, bro. I'm not successful yet. I know that. I admit that because I have the confidence. I can admit that I'm broke. Yeah, I'm broke. But I am taking control of my life. I'm trying to make money. I'm not wasting my time around goals, doing parties. I'm genuinely working. Not that I want to develop a working hard habit, and I'm trying to do it. But talking about mindset, you need to create a never give up mindset, and especially you have to control your emotions, man. So yeah, so suppose someone comes to you and starts saying this video won't work for you if you are trying to do something with your life, and then someone comment on your work. So from that moment that you think that yeah, he's right, yeah, I should quit that, bro. That's the fucking loser mindset, man. If you think like that, you are fucking a loser. You are never going to become successful. You have to go until the end if you start something. So and if that guy come and says to you, bro, this is never going to work for you. So what you are going to say? Fuck it, bro. I will try. I don't care about the results. I will do the work and see where I will reach. It's easy, man. If you stop caring other people's opinion, you will see the beauty of your life, the freedom you got. Because you think that other people's opinion matters. It doesn't matter, bro. It fucking doesn't matter. You're alone in this journey. Fuck those friends who says that I'm there for you. No, they are not, bro. They are just there for parties. Stop hanging around them and stop locking in your room. Just hustle for 6 to 1 month. You don't do anything. You don't need to do anything. Just lock in for 4 to 5 years or 4 to 5 hours of deep work. That's it. You don't need to do anything and do exercises. Read books. There's plenty of things to do, but you are doing nothing because you are afraid of people judging you, right? Bro, fuck, that's it. If you can't develop such never give up attitude, bro, there will be a lot of times people will come and judge you and you are going to quit that with that then. And how are you going to go forward with that attitude, bro? You have to develop a specific mindset, man. So I seriously suggest, bro, set up your goals and start acting on that. Yeah, it will take time, bro, and failures will occur. You won't be rich in 1-2 days. It will take years. But you have to start taking the action from now because you will be ready when you are in late 20s. You will be ready for the success you deserve, because until then you have tried many things, you have failed multiple times, you have been betrayed multiple times, you have been heartbroken, and when you reach in your late 20s, when the money start coming in, then you gonna look back and thanks God that all the things happen, because it will develop a specific mindset for you, because until then you will have that physical power, that financial capabilities of doing anything you want. You can travel anywhere, you can eat anything. You don't need to do anything, bro. Just lock in and start working on your dreams. Stop making excuses. Stop caring about other people judging you. Fuck them. Who cares? You are here alone in this journey. Fuck them. They are nobody, man. Bro, start setting up goal and start taking action. And do it. Do it, bro. You can do it. Come on. So this is the end of the video. So subscribe to the channel. Comment down if you want to become part of my journey. And let's go, bro. We got this. We have to cross our goals in 2025. And follow me in my socials. Link will be in the description. Let's go, bro. It's fucking will be our years. Let's go. We got this. Let's go.